y'all, it's your girl Lady just coming back at you with another tutorial. And if you're an OG, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you know when I have more videos on my channel. So right now I'm just going to take those colors that are previously listed and blend those out in my crease. And if you like when I show the palette and do that, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll just do more of that. But I'm just going to blend that out, not going directly into my face but a little bit above it towards my brow bone, and I'm going to just keep on blending because blending is the key to a good shadow look. So I'm going to continue to pack in those colors and blend it out before I go in with my crease color, which is from CoverGirl's True Blends Nudes palette. I'm going to put that directly on my crease and then take my transition shades and go back over it. I'm not adding any more product onto the brush. I just used whatever was left over and just blended it out. Y'all, this is like my first time working with glitter, so I didn't know how to approach it, but I went in with the primer and like cut my crease with it. No concealer, just using the primer, and then after that I just packed in the glitter. And I just have to say, NYX's glitter primer was bomb AF. Like, that glitter stuck to it literally like glue. And I was really impressed. And now the process repeats itself. I'm going to be cutting my crease with the primer, and I'm packing on all that gold glitter. Y'all, after this, I feel like I was shining bright like a freaking diamond. Your girl even did more than expected to. I came in with a wing liner and lashes, y'all. Like, look at those things, y'all. I felt popping after that, and just now I get to work on my face, y'all. It's about to be lit. So far in each of my tutorials, I've used a different foundation. Today, I'm using Fenty Beauty, and overall, it's a good foundation. It really is medium coverage, and you have to build it to full. I went in with 2 coats in order to get full coverage, but overall, it's a pretty good soft matte foundation. So I'm currently highlighting my face with Other Girl and Toffee. I do want to try Fawn. I heard that was a really good one. But Toffee it's been doing me well. I'm not gonna lie. And in the midst of my highlighting, I realized I did not conceal the top of my brows. So I had to go back and do that. And just blend it out with my foundation brush. It was no big deal. It had to be done. just had to. And I prefer to use a brush when blending out my highlight because sponges leave me a little patchy. Because like it absorbs a lot of the product and it just leaves me patchy. But the brush like just moves it well. And if you let it sit for a while and then brush it out, it just comes out flawless. So when I'm baking or putting powder on my face, I apply it on a dry sponge. This sponge is not damp. I put on a dry sponge and then tap on powder and then blow it off. That way it applies as an even layer, and then I just take my brush and just brush off the excess. So I'm finishing up this contour. You guys, I was finishing this makeup look around 11 at night. I was just inspired to do something and I just went for it. So I'm pretty delirious at this point. So I'm going in with my ColourPop Super Shock highlight. Pretty much all their highlighters look so good. I mean, get the one that suits your skin tone on the real, but overall, their highlights be popping. Like, I'm just looking like a bronze sunchild. So now I'm going in with a blush from e.l.f.'s Dark Blush Palette. And you know, topping it off with my go-to lip liner by NYX. Now I'm going into Kylie Cosmetics Matte Lip in Brown Sugar. And adding a NYX matte lip in the center, just to give it like an ombre effect. And adding some setting spray to top it all off. Y'all, how y'all feel about this look? Because once I did it, I absolutely fell in love with it. And was disappointed I was going nowhere after it. So that's the finished look. This is it for this video, you guys. Hope you guys liked this look as much as I did. And thank you all so much for watching. Peace and love, you guys.